Giri. Today I am going to show you. This is an unboxing video. So we need a tray, full bottle, and this kit. So let's open the kit. First, we will now see, guys. This is now we will take out this to the side and see my chemistry lab. So let's do an experiment with it. We will do two experiments. So let's cut the tapes. So let's open it. So you can read this thing if you want to read. You can check the box things if it is fully gummed or something is missing. See, I have got a pack of it. Now let's keep inside. Now let's open it. Now we'll cut down it. Yeah. Now let's cut down it. Now see, we got 2 spoons, 3 beakers, 3 droppers, a food coloring, a small beaker, a big beaker, and a small funnel. Let's see inside the polythene. Now this is a balloon polythene with shoelace. Now this is a baking soda packet, and this is citric acid packet. Now this is our goggles for safety. This is our gloves for safety. Another gloves. You can do more experiments with this book. This is an experiment book. Now let's keep the box inside. So okay, let's wear the goggles like this. Yes. Yes. Now let's wear the gloves. Okay, the gloves and goggles have been weared. Now let's open the food coloring. Now let's open this tag. Like this. I have opened the food coloring. Let's keep it aside. So first experiment is how to create carbon dioxide. So first we will put this full beaker of water. Okay. Now let's keep it here. Now this much of water we will take. Let's take some food coloring in a dropper. This is okay. Now let's put the dropper in outside, close it, then mix it. Yes, the mixing has been completed. Now let's put, this is citric acid. Now we are opening it. Open the citric acid. Now let's put this in a beaker. Mix it well. Okay. Now take a drop extra, pour it pour the whole thing. Take the whole thing inside it. Now if we will add the baking soda, the reaction will be start. So let's wear the goggles. Open the baking soda. Now let's pour this on a spoon. See. See how the carbon dioxide is going out. Now let's do this in balloon. So our next experiment is take a balloon. So I am taking a balloon, a funnel. Let's put this. Now let's pour the citric acid in the balloon. Take a full spoon of it. Now let's pour it like this. Now our balloon is ready with baking soda and citric acid. Now let's put the citric acid. Now save it for afterwards. Now let's get a drop of food coloring. Let's take a drop of food coloring. Now citric acid and baking soda are already put at here. Let's put only water. Yes. Now let's put our goggles. Let's put this in this. Now let's put the yeah. Now we will wear our safety goggles and pour it this way. Now pour all the things down. Now see. The balloon is coming up. This thing is working. See. So this all for today. Hope you will like it. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the all new notifications when we put a new video. Thank you.